the various ways to enter the GST, goods and service tax. Yesterday I explained you all those journal entries. Now today we are moving the next part, ledger. Ledger means classification of general entries. So ledger is classification of general entries. Mayur Patori, Krish Gupta, on your video please. So first of all, the ledger. Ledger means the collection of accounts. Different accounts collected in a book that is known as a ledger. It is a principal book of accounts and transactions of similar nature are grouped in one place in the form of one account. It is also known as book of secondary entry. See, when we start the accountancy part, I explain you that there is some process to make the entries. Like first of all, journal entries, then ledger, then trial balance, then final accounts. This is the process. Journal, ledger, trial balance, final account. So here also we completed journal part. Now the next is ledger. Ledger folio, which I explained you, is like a specific page number. Folio means page number here. Like you all students got one scholar number that is unique for each student. Same here. That is, ledger means collection of accounts. It is principal book of accounts, and all the transactions of similar nature are grouped at one place in the form of an account. It is known as book of secondary entry. Why secondary entry? Because after journalizing, the next next step is ledger posting. See, first of all, you can note down. Yes. Classification of ledger. Yes, what to do? First, in the chronological order, the journal entry is passed, which is known as journalizing. Now the ledgers are classified. Okay. All accounts are classified in 5 categories: assets, liabilities, capital, revenues, expenses. Yes. So all the ledger accounts broadly classified in assets like cash, bank, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, closing stock, all assets will be entered in assets. Then liabilities. Yes, bank overdraft, bank loan, creditors, all are entered in liabilities type. Then capital means the amount invested by the businessman. Revenues means earnings of the businessman. Yes, and expenses means the expenses for maintenance like salary paid, electricity bill paid, advertisement expenses paid. So all the accounts classified broadly in 5 types. Then C. Ledgers also classified. There are 2 types of accounts: permanent account, temporary account. Permanent account means the account which remains for more than 1 year. And temporary accounts means those accounts which you have to close down at the end of the accounting year, financial year. Or another difference, permanent accounts are shown in the balance sheet of the firm, which shows financial position, assets and liabilities. But temporary accounts are those accounts which are shown in trading and P&L account. Okay. Permanent accounts are asset, liability, capital. Like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, or a vehicle, gold, jewelry. These are permanent. Generally you will keep for long time period. So these are the asset and these are permanent. Same capital invested in the business according to going concern also permanent. Then what are the temporary accounts? Temporary means recurring, repeating, frequently occurred, like revenue, rent received, interest received, commission received. Expenses means salary paid, electricity bill paid, advertisement, rent, all the expenses you have to pay frequently. That's why these are known as recurring and repeating. All permanent accounts are balanced and carried forward to the next accounting period. Yes, the assets are carried forward for the next year also. Like a businessman has a building that will be carried forward. Yes, note down. Then all the temporary accounts are closed at the end of the accounting period and transferred to trading and P&L account. Now you will say what are the trading account, what are the P&L account. See children, trading account is prepared to know the gross profit or gross loss, and profit and loss account is prepared to know the net profit and net loss. So all the temporary accounts which are related with revenue and expenses transfer to trading and profit and loss account, because these revenue and expenses are helpful in calculating net profit and net loss. Okay, so if you want to note down permanent account, yes, I am telling you, I bought a Mercedes. That is my permanent account or temporary account? It is permanent account, because daily I am not going to buy a new car. Yes, Mercedes, today Mercedes, tomorrow BMW, then Jaguar. It is not possible. Okay, so the things which we purchase for future use for many years, that are permanent accounts and that are shown as balance in the balance sheet as asset. Okay, so Mercedes purchase will be permanent account. Now I paid 1000 rupees for petrol. Every after 15 days I have to pay money for petrol. This is not, petrol will not remain with me for 4 to 5 years. That will be bought frequently. So temporary, because this is expenses. Same, I am giving you another example. Building purchase. I bought a building, that is permanent account and asset. But repair is done every year. So repair means expenses, and that is temporary, because repair, whitewash, cleaning, everything will be performed frequently. That's why it is temporary. Now, what is the basic difference between journal and ledger? Journal is the first entry, ledger is the second entry. Journal performed in a chronological order, ledger is performed in the analytical manner. Journal is prepared on the basis of source document, and ledger is prepared on the basis of journal. In journal, there is no balancing. Okay, just do the total. But in ledger, all accounts are balanced. From greater total, we minus the smaller one, then find out the balance. Journal process is known as journalizing, and ledger process is known as ledger posting. Yes, again, differences between journal and ledger. Journal is the first book, original book, and ledger is the second entry or final entry. Journal performed in a chronological order, in sequential order according to date wise, but ledger is performed in analytical manner. Journal is on the basis of source document, but ledger is based on the basis of journal. Then in the journal, there is no need of balancing. Just do the total. Then, but in ledger, all accounts are balanced. Some accounts are transferred to profit and loss account, some are transferred to trading account. Then journal process is known as journalizing, while ledger process is known as ledger posting. Okay, then we are moving. What is posting? The process of transferring entries from journal to the appropriate ledger is known as posting. Now, my dear children, what do you understand by appropriate ledger account? Appropriate ledger means the ledger which is related with them. Like cash entry will be in cash account. Like if Priyanka pays the fees, that will be transferred to her scholar number. Same here, if the transaction is performed between Priyanka and me, then I have to enter the amount in Priyanka's account. This is known as ledger posting. Ledger posting is performed with the help of journal. See, I am giving you one sample of cash account. This is the format of account. Debit side, credit side. Debit date, particular journal folio. Journal folio means page number of journal where this entry has been passed in chronological order. Then amount. Then middle line should be dark because this line divides the account in two parts. Then again same process, but it is for credit side. Date, particular, JF, amount. Now what to do? Total of this side is 1800 and total of this side is 800. So 1800 minus 800, that is balance CD. This side is known as to debit and by credit. Now how to calculate balance? Just now I explain you. From greater total, we should minus the smaller one, that will be balance. See, the total of debit side is 1800 and total of credit side is 800. So 1800 minus 800, that will be 1000. Okay, so 1000 is known as balance CD. Now why CD? Yes, it is also known in some books that is written CF, carried forward. Here CD, carried down. CD carried forward or CF carried forward or CD means carried down. C is symbolizing here closing balance, or you can say carried down means this 1000 rupees of cash balance is carried down from 30th April to 1st May as to balance BD. What is BD? Brought down. Yes, from previous, this is permanent account, cash is permanent account. So balance CD carried down is transfer as balance BD brought down. Okay, C symbolizes closing, B symbolizes beginning. Here CD or CF means carried down or carried forward 1000 rupees from 30th April to 1st May, brought down or beginning of 1000. If you want to make, you can make it. So balance CD means the total balance remaining. Total of this side is 1800 and total of these two sides is 800. So balance will be 1000. Now how to calculate balance? Note down please. How to calculate balance. Balancing an account. Ascertainment of balance of each account in the ledger at the end of the accounting period generally or any time if required. How required? See, generally the balancing depends on the size of the organization and the number of transactions. If the number of transactions are many and the size of business is big, then they have to balance frequently. And difference between two sides of an account is known as balance of account or balance. Then see, if debit side is heavier, heavier means more than credit side, it shows a debit balance, and vice versa. Just now I have shown you cash account. See, debit side is more, credit side is less. This 1000 rupees is known as debit balance, shown in credit side, but balance is debit. See, the debit side is heavier than credit side, it shows a debit balance and vice versa. Okay, then CF is known as closing balance and BD is known as opening balance on the beginning. See again, this CD is known as closing balance and this BD is known as opening balance. I am sure you all must understood our today's topic. Our today's topic is ledger and ledger posting. This I explain you. The ledger is known as collection of accounts. This is a book of secondary entry because after making journal, we prepare ledger, then we classify the account. There are two types of account, permanent and temporary. Permanent account are asset, liability and capital. There is the difference between journal and ledger. Then posting means entry transfer is known as posting. This is the sample I made for you. This is debit side, this is credit side, this is balance. This balance is known as closing. This first May balance is known as beginning. See, the difference is known as balance. Okay, then closing balance on the closing date, which is shown as CD. Opening balance, which is shown on the beginning of the next accounting period, is BD. So today we completed ledger. I am sure you all must understood